Coming up on Cooking with Adam, tonight we'll be making from Home Chef one-pot basil chicken pasta with homemade tomato sauce. Stay tuned. Before we get started, just a few things. If you need the recipe guide and step-by-step instructions, it's in the description, link to my website. You can follow step by step, and there you go. There's also a special offer for trial on Home Chef. If you want to try that out, links there as well. And finally, if you need any of the cooking equipment that I use, that's there as well too. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, as well as my other videos, please smash that like button. With that said, let's get started. Ladies and gents, here are the ingredients we're working with tonight. We have 2 ounces of grated Parmesan. We have 5 ounces of spaghetti. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have 3 Roma tomatoes. We have 1/4 ounce of basil. We have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, approximately 13 ounces. So 6.5 ounces each, approximately. We have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. There we go. We have 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Alright, for utensils and cooking supplies, here is what you'll need. You'll need medium to large size pan. You'll need a pot, about medium size. You'll need a colander, 4 containers to cut and slice and dice things, salt and pepper, measuring cup, use it now. There we go. As always, olive oil, and your favorite knife. I'll be right, just gonna rinse the produce, and I'll bring about 3 cups of water to boil. Here's what we're doing with the produce. We're going to core and cut each one of the Roma tomatoes into 1/4 inch pieces. We're going to de-stem and coarsely cut the basil, and we're going to mince the garlic. Pretty simple. Now we're going to add the pasta to the water, and we're going to cook for a little boil for about 8 minutes until it's al dente. So as it gets hot, we'll just push it in without breaking any of them. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the chicken out of its paper towel wrap. We're going to season both sides with salt and pepper, and then cut into 1-inch cubes, approximate. All right. Before we drain the pasta, we need to reserve about 1/2 cup. So just take a cup, guesstimate, So it's better more than less. It's about 3/4 of a cup. Put this on the side, and we're gonna drain the pasta from the pot. You want to get as much water out as possible. And you just put it aside. Okay, now we're going to add a little olive oil. About 2 teaspoons, give or take. Get that all nice and hot. Add the diced chicken. And let that cook for about 4 minutes. We're now going to remove the chicken and put it to a plate. Start to cook the rest of the ingredients. Careful, it's very hot. You do not want to burn yourself. There we go. It'll cook, the chicken will cook in completion a little bit later. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to have a medium flame. Okay. And a little bit of oil. Garlic. Tomato paste. Oops. Of course, it's not coming out. Go. And I'm going to let it a little warm for about 30 to 60 seconds. Mix it around. There we go. Now we're going to add the tomatoes. And let these get all nice and soft for about a minute. Mix it together. Now I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of the water. Bring that to a boil. Shouldn't take that long. There we go. Add the chicken. Mix that together. I'm going to cook this for another 4 minutes until the chicken is about $1.65. So it's safe to eat. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Now I'm going to add back the pasta. Mix that in. Go. Just let this heat up for about a minute. Now we're going to add half the Parmesan cheese and the remaining, there we go, just about half. Remaining reserve water. Mix that together. Starting to come together nicely now. Cut the heat. Now we're going to add the basil and the red pepper flakes. Basil first. Here's as little or as much as you like. It's for taste. Put about half for myself. I don't like it too spicy. Mix that together. And you're done. Oops. Let's plate the dish. Here we go. Oops. Some chicken. Some of those tomatoes. There we go. To the other dish. And we're going to garnish with some more Parmesan cheese. There we go. Stay tuned for this. Is a delicious meal. It's flavorful, it's juicy chicken, it's tasty. You make it in about 15 minutes. 2 people will be well fed with this meal. Definitely make it again. There's nothing that I would change. It was quick, easy, and tasty. What else can you ask for? Hope everyone liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Until next time, keep cooking.